Duck eggs, unscrambled, an English phrase explained. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a curious phrase in the English language, duck eggs. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Duck eggs are, quite simply, the eggs laid by ducks. Just like chicken eggs, these are often used in cooking and have a rich flavor. However, when English speakers mention duck eggs, they might not always be talking about food. Confused? Let's explore further. In certain contexts, especially in the UK, duck eggs is used as a slang term. When someone says they got a duck egg in a game or test, they mean they scored 0. It's a way of saying they didn't get any points or they failed. The shape of the number 0 looks like an egg, which might be where this slang term originates from. Example: I tried the quiz, but I got a duck egg. I didn't know any of the answers. It's always fun to sprinkle some slang terms in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Here's how you can use duck eggs. 1. When talking about scores or results. I played darts with my friends, and I got a duck egg. Not my best game. 2. In a humorous way to say you didn't achieve something. I tried catching the bus today, but guess what? Duck egg. I missed it. Remember, context is essential. If you're talking about a delicious breakfast you had, then duck eggs probably means the literal eggs from a duck. And there you have it. The phrase, duck eggs, can refer to the literal eggs of a duck or mean scoring 0 in a game or test. English is full of such intriguing phrases, and every term has its story. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of duck eggs for you. Keep exploring and happy learning!